Ever wondered how data shapes the banking world? Dive into two fundamentals to advanced concepts of data and AI to uncover hidden patterns in real-world datasets. This journey sets the stage for mastering analytics and machine learning and data engineering, paving your path to an AI-driven career. With foundational skills in hand, it's time to choose your path: data analyst, data engineer, or data scientist. Each offers unique challenges and opportunities, guiding you toward a specialized career in the data realm. Data analysts elevate your skills with advanced SQL and analytics reporting. Master complex queries and BI tools to create reports and charts, including storytelling practice for fraud detection and customer segmentation, transforming raw data into actionable insights for decision makers. Data engineers design scalable ETL pipelines and automate workflows. Learn to build robust data architectures, ensuring seamless data flow and integration across systems. Apply your skills in real-world projects like fraud detection and customer segmentation. Develop advanced techniques in data orchestration and machine learning, gaining hands-on experience with real-time data processing. Data scientists delve into predictive modeling and machine learning essentials. Build models that forecast trends and detect anomalies, driving innovation and efficiency in banking operations. Engage in cross-domain projects to broaden your expertise. Participate in internships, delivering live analytics projects that showcase your skills and prepare you for the job market. Ready to launch your career? Polish your resume, ace mock interviews, and network with industry leaders. By mastering these steps, you'll secure your place in the competitive data landscape.